Hey, it's Dan Geip, and I'm here with your February Dolman Russo Suboxone litigation update. Let you guys know what's going on, what's changed, what's happening with the litigation. We typically have about one hearing a month right now where we get in front of the judge and actually address the issues that are pending. Right now, kind of what's going on is a lot of fights about discovery, what we're going to be entitled to when we can start rolling that out. By discovery, I mean getting documents, getting question answered, stuff like that, and some of the issues that we're going to be able to get in discovery. The other big issue that's going on right now is in June, we've got the statute of limitations rolling up on these 3-year states, right? For the 2-year states, court instituted sort of a Schedule A, is what they called it, where we could just submit one list with everyone's name on it. All the plaintiffs put everyone on one list, it got filed, and it didn't have to be a bunch of individual complaints. The court has said there will be no Schedule B for the 3-year states. So now we're looking at figuring out, are we going to have to file thousands of individual complaints? Is the defense going to agree to a tolling agreement, which means, hey, they're going to let this not worry about the statute of limitations running, so no one has to file their complaints? That seems unlikely. Or is the court going to allow some sort of batch filing outcome where each law firm can file one master complaint and then amend with a list of clients to be attached to it? Makes a big difference. If we're filing these individually, you're looking at spending a lot more money to file thousands of complaints. So this is all coming to a head right now. I anticipate we're going to see sort of some slow movement over the next couple of months in this litigation, with a pickup shortly after March 15th. The reason I say that is because March 15th, they've got an exercise at one of the colleges of law over in Texas where we're going to actually have a live hearing. The judge is conducting one of these hearings live in front of some of the law students as sort of an example, let them see how the real law works. And I think we're going to address a lot of the pending and outstanding and substantive issues there, so some of the students get to see rubber meet the road and how this stuff really works. Well, that's where we're at. We're also, if you're represented by us, you're probably getting stuff asking for information again. I know it seems like we've been asking for information ever since we started this campaign, and that's somewhat true. But we need information again for the census form because that's due in August. Okay, if we don't get your info, you can't get any money. It's that simple. There's no promise that you get money either way, but we have to get this info in order for you to get money. One, court needs your social security number to determine who you are and that you're not in this pool 6 different times with 6 different firms. We also need to give that to the defense so they can pull their own medical records and make sure that what we're giving them is actually accurate and see what else it is they may want to look at. So when you're getting those requests for information, when you're getting those census forms, take it seriously. As always, if you need anything, you can reach out to us. But lawsuit legal news, Dolman Law, Dolman Russo, there's a number of different sites you can go to stay updated on what's going on. Once again, we're happy you allow us to represent you. We look forward to bringing this to a conclusion. But I really anticipate us not seeing a lot of stuff happening until this March hearing. So I expect sort of the mid-March, sort of early April update will be the next one with a lot of stuff to talk about. Once again, always a pleasure to represent you. We enjoy the opportunity. I hope you feel like we're doing a good job for you and we're trying to keep you informed of everything that's going on. Once again, it's been a pleasure, and thank you from everyone at the Dolman Russo Law Team.